Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to the Oven's Garage. Today we're going to be installing a Dranjer floor drain to replace this floor drain as a part of this radon mitigation system that we just finished installing. So what we have to do is remove this existing floor drain. We're going to be replacing it with this Dranjer. This ring, plastic ring, gets set into the concrete, and then this just goes right onto that ring. Prevents any air from coming out of the sump pit and the weeping tile below, but it still allows water to drain in because there's this little ball in there. Still allows water to drain in from this side. So the first step is we're going to be ripping out this existing floor drain and cleaning and prepping. Okay, so at this point we've chipped away the concrete around the old ring, and we set in the Dranjer ring, make sure it sits below the level, like that. We've washed this concrete with the muriatic acid and water mix. It's still damp. We rinsed it with water and now it's sort of just drying, but it's still damp. We mixed up our concrete. You see that? And now we're ready to set the ring in to the concrete. All right. Yeah. Let's set that in. Yeah, there we go. Just set it right in. Alright, so the last thing I did with the Dranjer was I put a coat of floor paint on that concrete that I just set in, and I'm letting it dry. I'm going to do one more coat of paint in a few hours, then I'll be able to set the Dranjer back in, and it should give it a nice tied-in finish to the existing floor. Okay, so we've got the Dranjer fully installed, the concrete's been painted, and now this wraps up the complete installation of our radon mitigation system for this house. Hopefully this helps if you're looking to install something similar in your house, and thanks for watching. Cheers.